Today we're going to be making dirt pudding. You will need to gather your ingredients. This includes Oreos, pudding, 2 cups of milk, and gummy worms. You will also need a medium saucepan, whisk or wooden spoon, a measuring cup, plastic cups, and a stovetop. Turn your stove on medium heat, measure out 2 cups of milk, and pour into saucepan. Next, empty your pudding packet into the saucepan and bring it to a boil, stirring continuously until smooth. Put in fridge to chill until firm. Now comes the fun part while the pudding is chilling. Crush up a desired amount of Oreos in a Ziploc baggie. Finally assemble, put the crushed Oreos at the bottom of the plastic cup. Next, put your desired amount of pudding in, then top off with more crushed Oreos and gummy worms.